Hello WordPress people. So in this video we are going to talk about LearnDash AI Course Chat, which is basically a Gemini AI powered chat for your LearnDash courses. So you can ask questions regarding your courses. Gemini AI will give you an answer based on your course content. So let's see what's new in this plugin. So it says provided option to set Gemini model. So in the initial version, there was no option for setting the Gemini model. Now we are able to set the Gemini model based on our requirement. So let's see how does it work. So I have already installed my latest version, and let's go to LD AI Course Chat setting. And here we have the setting for available models for our Gemini AI. So initially you won't be able to see this model. So by default there will be Gemini 1.5 Flash model, and so once you add your Gemini API key and save the setting, then after you will see the list of other models. Otherwise you won't be able to see any other models. So if you don't know what to select as a model, then just go with Gemini 1.5 Flash. Otherwise if you know what to select when, then you can select as per your choice. Now I have already added my Gemini key by clicking on this button. So it's very simple. Just click on the button. I am already logged in. If you are not logged in, then it will ask for you to log in, and then you will be able to easily get the API key, and that's it. Add that API key over here, save it, then list of model will be there. Select that. Now let's see how does the plugin work. So I have installed the LearnDash over here, and I have added a sample course about web development. So now let's go to the course page, and here we will be able to talk about the course. So just open the chat and ask for give me short summary. So it will give you a short summary over here. So if you ask question out of this context, let's see how does it respond. So what is mountain? So it will simply say that please ask question related to this course. So this works same for the lessons as well. If you go to the lessons page, then just ask for give me short summary, and it will give you a short summary about that specific lesson. So yeah, this is how the LearnDash chat works. I'm gonna provide the plugin link into the description section. And yeah, this is the video guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev. So if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the wpvoyage.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development. Thank you.